Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Amazon Co. UK account. This gives you access to your payment settings. Once signed in, open the gift cards page under Accounts and Lists or tap Redeem in the app. Enter the claim code exactly as shown, letters, numbers, hyphens matter, and click Apply to see the balance appear. If you received an email card, copy and paste the code to avoid typos. Make sure your account country is set to United Kingdom so the balance applies correctly. You now focus on entering and confirming the code. Accuracy is crucial. Carefully type or paste the claim code into the Redeem, a gift card box, and visually verify characters like 0 versus capital O and 1 versus lowercase l. Once entered, press Apply and wait for the confirmation banner showing the added amount. If you're buying during checkout, select Use Gift Card as payment and choose the balance. Make sure the amount has been added before placing the order to avoid payment errors. You finish by applying the new balance at checkout or checking your account to confirm the updated total, then proceed to complete your purchase. If the code shows invalid or already redeemed, recheck the email or physical card for transcription mistakes and ensure the card wasn't region restricted. If problems continue, take a screenshot, note the claim code, and contact Amazon customer service for investigation. In many cases, they can trace redemptions and restore funds when you provide proof quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.